Hi guys, my name is Anastasia and I'm introduced to Mersin Real Estate Agency, and today I want to show you almost ready apartments, almost ready complexes. And the main thing for me that we've been here before, like somewhere in March or April, maybe the beginning of April, and I want you to look how everything here is changed, and we also will repeat the showroom looks, and I hope you will like it even more because I was impressed. And I like this developer because he's doing his job really great. Prices are not cheap, but after this video you will understand for what you will pay if you want to choose this apartment. Let's go. So guys, we are now in our showroom and I want you to have a look how it will be in your apartment. And actually I'm excited. We were here, but for now everything is different. And actually the main plus is the territory of complex. I'll show you. From this is the first Turkish floor, and just look how cute it is, how really nice it is. It's like you're somewhere in a hotel, but it's your home. And also I want to tell you about the terrace. This is amazing, really huge one for you and your family to have drinks and tea, or maybe even having breakfast and dinners. Here we have pretty nice and spaceful place like saloon, and also like the kitchen. Here we have also my favorite window from the kitchen. I think it's really nice, really American style. In the beginning here we have a wardrobe, which is really important because like look how big it is. It's really nice. And here we have also like children's room, but you can take it like, I don't know, maybe some office, or it will be a guest room for you, doesn't matter. And here we'll also have really cute and nice balcony. I'd say it's a terrace actually. And we are going to the bathroom. Bathroom is usual one, nothing special, but I like it anyway. So but yeah, let's have a look. Usual one, almost ready. All you need here in this bathroom is the towel, and also here you will have a nice cabinet, which is also really important because, for example, in my apartment I don't have a full mirror, I have only spaces. Here we also have our master's bedroom with 2 windows on it. Also, you will have in this apartment really stylish and fancy wardrobe. I like it. And also you will have the second bathroom. Actually, I think it's even bigger than the guest, but isn't it better? And when I said that you will be like kind in a hotel, so I think these places are always in hotels, but in usual life we don't have it in our apartments. And this is really cool because this developer is just doing everything like you are in the hotel, but at the same time you are in your apartment, and that's really nice. I love it. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you in the next videos.